Imagine building a YouTube channel that racks up hundreds of millions of views. No camera, no microphone, no showing your face. That's exactly what faceless channels like Glorb Worldwide, The Emoji, and How to Basic have done. Leveraging AI by creating clever scripts and using simple visuals to dominate YouTube. Here are some real faceless channels that made it big. First, we have Glorb Worldwide. This channel was launched in 2023, and the creator uses AI-generated rap battles with SpongeBob voices. This channel raked in over 280 million views in under 18 months. Second on the list is The Emoji. This is a faceless animation-based storytelling. This channel has built an empire of channels around pop culture deep dives with combination of over 1.5 billion views across their network. The third channel is How to Basic. The anonymous creator is doing absurd visual how-to tutorials. No face, barely any words, yet almost 4 billion views. What is common between all these three channels? They all follow the faceless model, but dominate using creativity plus consistency. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start your own AI-powered faceless channel using the exact system that's helped creators earn life-changing money, all behind the scenes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a profitable faceless niche. The best performing faceless YouTube niche right now are AI parody music, like Glorb Worldwide, animated lore documentaries like the Emoji channel, weird visual tutorials like the How to Basic channel, and fake message stories using chat and text animation with Corpy AI. To go viral on YouTube, you need to ask yourself these questions when picking a niche. Can I generate this with AI tools only? Can I keep viewers watching and come back for more? And how frequent can I upload? If you can answer all these questions, then you are good to go. Step 2. Build a branded channel without showing your face. All right, so now that you've picked your niche, whether that's AI music, comedy, parody, or some chaotic mix of all three, it's time to give your channel a real identity. And no, you don't have to show your face. We're building a faceless brand here. First things first, you need a catchy name that instantly tells viewers what your channel is about without sounding like a bot. Just drop this prompt into DeepSeek.ai. Give me 10 catchy faceless YouTube channel names for an AI music comedy parody channel. You'll get some fire options like Glitch Groove, Robo Laughs, Parody Verse, and Bite Beats. Pick the one that feels right, or mash up a couple and create your own. The goal is to stand out and sound like a legit brand. Next up, let's write a quick but powerful channel bio. You want to make it short, searchable, and Gen Z friendly. Use this prompt. Write a 2-sentence SEO-optimized YouTube channel description for a Gen Z audience. You'll get something like, "We remix AI, chaos, and comedy into viral sound bites. Hit subscribe for hilarious parodies, music spoofs, and text drama you won't believe." Clean, bold, and totally algorithm ready. Now let's make your channel look professional without needing a graphic designer. In Leonardo.ai, use this exact prompt. Design a one-to-one bold faceless YouTube logo in cartoon or parody style. Use bright colors. This will generate something that pops in the YouTube feed, a bold, colorful avatar that represents your channel's energy without showing your face. Download the logo, upload it to YouTube, and there you have it. Your channel is now officially branded. Step 3. Optimize your channel with SEO-ready keywords. This is where the nerdy part meets the viral part. YouTube isn't just about posting content, it's about making sure the right people actually see it, and that starts with keywords. This is where you use the free vidIQ AI coach. Go sign up for vidIQ, it's free, and the AI coach inside is a goldmine. Use this prompt. Generate 20 high-traffic keywords and titles for the channel type that you chose, and for the channel name that you chose. Let's say your channel is Glitch Groove and you post AI rap parodies. vidIQ will return phrases like AI Kanye West freestyle diss, funny rap battles with AI voices, AI versus human rap challenge, Take the best keywords and drop them into your channel tags, your video titles, your descriptions, and your custom video tags. This tells YouTube's algorithm exactly what kind of content you're creating and who to show it to. Step 4. Reverse engineer viral scripts. Here's where things get smart. Why start from scratch when you can study what's already working? First thing first, find a viral video in your niche. Search YouTube for a video in your space. AI music, parody, fake messages that has 100K plus views. That means it hits some kind of algorithmic gold. Download the transcript using tactic.io. Copy the video URL, paste it into tactic.io, and export the full transcript. This gives you a full word-by-word script of what made that video pop. Rewrite it with a twist with DeepSeek AI. Now take that transcript and ask DeepSeek AI to rewrite this as a unique version with a twist. Keep the structure, change the tone and events. What you get is a fresh, original version that keeps the same flow, but swaps the jokes, dialogue, or punchlines, making it uniquely yours while still modeled on something that already worked. And that's how you reverse engineer virality. Step 5. Produce full videos with AI tools. Now comes the fun part, actually making the videos. Depending on your style, there are two major routes: fake message drama or parody rap music content. For fake message or text videos, here's how to do it step by step using vsub.ai. Create characters like Brody and Mom or AI Karen and Skater Chad. Paste your AI transform script line by line. Choose AI voices like Viral Adam or Sad Sarah, whatever matches the vibe. You can add animations, emojis, and bold highlights for key lines. Export the video and get ready to post. These videos are super addictive, especially when the text messages tell an over-the-top dramatic story with AI voice acting. Think of it like texting theater. For parody rap or AI voice content, this one's all about sound plus visuals. Use 11 Labs for lifelike celebrity-style AI voices. Want Trump and Kanye to rap battle about pizza? You can literally make that happen. Use Pika Labs to generate visuals that sync to the beat. Music video style. For the final edits, go into CapCut, use viral templates, and keep things fast-paced, colorful, and weird in the best way. Step 6. Upload with viral optimization. Don't just post your video, launch it like a pro. Once your video is ready, upload it like normal, but now we're going to add some viral fuel. Head back over to DeepSeek and type this prompt: give me a viral YouTube title and thumbnail text for this story, then insert a short summary of the video. You'll get stuff like, she found out her AI boyfriend was cheating with her mom. For the thumbnail text, you get something like, AI love drama gone wrong. It's clicky without being cringe, and that's the secret. Here are some tips for a viral thumbnail. Use huge text like obnoxiously big. Pick one bold color for the background, yellow, red, pink, or neon green. Add a shocked emoji if it fits the vibe. You're not trying to be subtle, you're trying to get noticed. Remember to add the keywords you got from vidIQ into the video's tag section. Then click public and let it fly. Step 7. Stay consistent and study what works. This is the most important step. Virality rarely comes from the first video. It may come from video 10 or 15. Post one video per day or at least 3 per week. Check YouTube Studio to see which videos get the most retention and how long people actually watch. Look for patterns. Did people stay longer when you used a certain voice or character? Double down on what works. Channels like Glorb Worldwide didn't hit 450 million views from one lucky upload. They posted non-stop, tested styles, and built an audience over time. And guess what? You can too. You're not starting from zero. You're following a system that's already worked for channels with millions of subscribers and billions of views. All you have to do? Start with one video, then another, Then let the algorithm do the rest. I hope this tutorial provided massive value. The blueprint is now in your hands. The only question remaining is, will you be one of the few who push through all 7 steps to reach that breakthrough and be successful? Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell because I drop these money-making bangers every week.